Dialect high pressure washer unboxing, video with review.
Power 1400 watt, maximum flow 6.5 litre per minute, maximum pressure is 120 bar, voltage AC 220 volt and energy efficient.
Here's the owner manual with a cleaning pin.
Here are some tools which are packed. Adjustable nozzle. Motor with gun. Detergent bottle. High pressure hose and water inlet pipe. Make sure you read the owner manual before using the pressure washer. You can provide the water supply by joining the pipe to tap water or by bucket. Now let us check the pressure washer. You can adjust the nozzle as per your need. Now let us check foam washer. Foam wash shampoo is not included. Here's the final look after washing the car. Make sure to like, subscribe and comment.